Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this item that I just purchased at Louis Vuitton. This is something that I was looking for and I want to use very much for my trips and travels. So let's go. So this is the receipt. It comes in this envelope here. And the box, it's a nice box, and it comes in this dust bag. And here's my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet XL in monogram canvas. I don't know if you guys can see right here. Yeah. It's pretty nice. This is something that I was looking for. I like the size, I like the shape, and I'm gonna show you guys inside. So here are the papers. It says here, I don't know if you guys can see. So it says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and interior lining. And I really like the way it's made. I like the colors. I like this black leather right here. I think it goes really well with the canvas, this brown canvas. I like the match. And inside here, not sure if you guys can see. So you can fit 8 credit cards on this side, and on the other side, you can also fit 8 credit cards as well. So the total is going to be 16 credit cards. For me, it's more than enough because I only have 3 credit cards, so it's perfect. The total is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots, and it's pretty big. It's really big. I can even fit my iPhone here with no problem, and it's perfect. I can put all my passports, all my papers, all my documents, all my tickets and everything, and then I'm good to travel. It's perfect. And there's also one pocket inside with a zipper here, so you can put something, you can put your valuables here, so it's gonna be safer. And then you just close. And then if you're in a hurry or if you're walking, and then if you just open like that, the things right here won't fall apart because it's safe here inside in this pocket. And not only for travels that I can use that, I can also use at night when I go meet my friends for happy hour, or when I go to the restaurants with them. I can just put everything inside, like my car keys, my credit cards, my documents, and then boom, I'm good to go. It's perfect. And I can also use it like this, because I like this strap right here. So I can also use like this, or just like that. I really recommend that if it's something that you guys are looking for, the size and everything. Let me see if I have the measurements here. No, I don't have it, but I'll leave it here in the description. If you guys are looking for, this is Louis Vuitton Zippy Wallet XL. I'll leave the description here, the measurements and everything, so you guys can go and shop online or go to the store. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and just like the video. Alright? See you next time.